progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. The number of Delta AY4.2 variant of coronavirus, which is spreading rapidly in some foreign countries, has increased to 7 in Karnataka, with 3 more people found to be infected with it in the city. Speaking to the reporters, State Health and Family Welfare Commissioner D. Randeep said, "There are 7 cases of AY4.2 variant in the state, 3 in Bengaluru and 4 in different parts of the state." Maintaining that the COVID-19 cases are under control in the state, Randeep said the government is making a negative RT-PCR test report obtained 72 hours before arrival mandatory for those coming from abroad to the state.